we are opening some surprise parcels from one of my favourite brands on earth. It is Auto Finesse. As you can see, I'm a bit of a fanboy. I do like Auto Finesse. I get on really well with James and all the boys over there at the Auto Finesse Detailing Academy. They've got their own private YouTube channel, and you can check that out. If you just type in Auto Finesse, you'll find them fast enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes from Auto Finesse. Literally come home one day, open, you're not even going to believe this is crazy. I came home one day from, I don't know what I was doing, opened my letterbox and there was a DHL parcel slip that said, behind your house near your garage. Literally went behind my garage and these 4 boxes were in the snow, which is crazy. Anyway, long story short, I opened the boxes in my house and was so hyped on them that I was like, whoa, I need to like stop doing what I'm doing now and film this because it's crazy. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to just unbox the products. Say a little thanks to Auto Finesse because they've literally hooked me up with these, which is crazy. I have actually been filming all the install of these workbenches and cabinets and stuff. I've totally redesigned my garage. My GTR is slammed out in here, look. GTR slammed out inside the garage. It's looking legit as in here. But yeah, so today's a pretty chilled out video. I mean, when I say chilled out, I mean it's really chilled out. I've actually got an incense stick on burning away. GTR's looking slammed out. So yeah, I had a basic wash with a good snow foam, a good tar and glue remover, citrus pre-wash all over. Garage is looking super organised. Like I said before, all of this I filmed doing, but that'll be in a future vlog. I know I probably shouldn't reveal it, but I think the days of hyping up stuff on YouTube are kind of dead a little bit. You can just do what you want now, can't you? So yeah, look at the GTR, looking murdered. Looks mean. So yeah, let's get straight into this anyway. Auto Finesse sent me the most ridiculous package ever. As you can see, multiple bottles. This is just an unboxing video. I want to pre-warn you right now, if that's not your hype, get out of here while you can. But if you're like me and you're massively into your detailing, you're probably quite interested what I've been sent by Auto Finesse. So let's get straight into this. Let's set you up. Nice angle. We've got the rear quarter of the car there. Smash the like button. And don't forget, I've got my own brand, OWNA Official. Link is in the description. And we have now got new lilac coloured jumpers, which are also included with all hoodies in the free t-shirt deal. So make sure you add your free t-shirt to your basket to get yourself a brand new fresh hoodie and a free t-shirt. These long thin boxes are mad. They've sent us like ridiculous containers of all the essential needs. But what we're going to do first is we're going to show you the box with all the mad stuff in, and then we'll see what they've sent us in bulk at the end. So this box, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a bird's eye view of the box. So this was what I opened up and I was like, oh my Jesus God Christ, hell, oh my God. Car detailing is a rabbit hole. You've been warned. If you're not into it right now and you're just wondering why the hell you're watching a guy open and cleaning products, that's YouTube for you, isn't it? Don't beat yourself up over it. Just enjoy the content. That's what I do when I end up watching weird stuff. Okay, we're going to just start firing. Gloss, tyre dressing. I'm not actually going to be using any of the products today because it's just an unboxing episode. So I'm not going to be using any of the products today. I'm just showing you what they've sent me. This is for like the hardcore detailers out there. Leather cleaner. Auto Finesse leather cleaner. This is called Hide. You can't beat good leather cleaner. You get your leather back to like matte finish. Be good to test all of this on the channel. Triple all-in-one polish. Check that. That's an all-in-one polish, meaning like polish, glaze and wax your paintwork all in one easy application. Trim dressing, Revive. Sounds pretty cool. Give it that black back to life feel. It's pretty mad how it's blue as well. You wouldn't have expected that to be blue, would you? That would have been easier. I'll show you that. Oh, it smells good, that. It smells like bubblegum. wheel soap. Now, this is one of the things I've been dipping into, hence why it's got like that much missing. So this is savage. I've been washing my wheels with it, and it's got like a touch of something in it that takes a bit more off your wheels. Graphene filler liquid wax. I like the name, graphene filler liquid wax. Add advanced liquid paintwork sealant developed to add extreme gloss and durable ultra hydrophobic protection that lasts for up to 6 months. I'd be interested to know how you get it off. That's what I'd want to know. Do you have to machine that off? I guess I'll ask. Remove any excess residue with above. Nah, maybe not. That's insane. Hyped on that, I'll be honest. Vision glass polish. That's a first. Vision glass polish, an advanced polish for removing stubborn stains and light scratches from glass. Serious that. Microfiber wash. Whew. A lot of their products have got like that bubblegum smell. I didn't smell the Vision. I don't know if I should smell all of these that close. Ceramic spray wax. I'm going to assume that that's similar to that stuff, but I reckon it's a little bit more liquidy. The next generation ultra hydrophobic ceramic coating that's applied with nothing more than a spray and a wipe. That's good. Quick Detailer Finale. This is their iconic Quick Detailer. If you go to any car show in the UK, you will see hundreds of people using these little gems because they're good. Radiance Canuba Cream. I've not really messed around with Canuba waxes too much. Canuba waxes too much. But I actually do want to try them this time round. It's a deep wet shine associated with our hard wax range. That one's called Radiance. Pretty sick. Spray ones. Satin Tire Cream. Now, the satin one is more like a pasty, gooey mess, like jelly, in comparison to... Oh, it smells anyone from Auto Finesse who's watching this video right now, you will know why I'm losing my mind. That smells like cherry bakewells. Oh my god, that's insane. Ultra Glaze paint glaze. Check that out. Looks like a polish. I'm gonna guess it's some sort of a polish. Damn. There's loads more, you know. We've still got a lot to go. Get comfy. Obliterate classic tar and glue remover. Amazing stuff. Okay, metal polish, Mercury. I've used this before on exhaust tips. Epic, really cool. Metal polish. Reactive wheel cleaner. I've actually got one bottle of that up there. That's really good stuff. Really, really good stuff. Actually, this reminds me, so that's really good. That's actually my go-to wheel cleaner at the moment, to be honest. I use that, and then that's like my first non-contact wash. So yeah, Obliterate gel, which is mad. So this is basically the one that I said I didn't want to smell. No, that one is a classic. So you take like your badges off the back of your car and you're left with all the grime and the glue and stuff, or if there's road tar and it being stubborn and won't come off without clay in it, that's really helpful. But they've sent me this new product. Well, I'm going to assume it's new because I've never seen it before, but they've sent me an alternative product called Obliterate Gel, which is pretty epic. Check that out. And that must be like a gel version, a gel tar and glue remover designed to effortlessly remove tar, rubber and unwanted glue residues from your vehicle and glass in an uncontrollable process. But I'm wondering whether the gel is cool because it's not as like loose everywhere, so you can put a bit on, like a section, and leave it there. Crystal glass cleaner. There's no glass cleaner like this glass cleaner, I'm going to be honest. Right, I've been dipping into this. This is why it doesn't sound that full. I've used probably that much of this. This stuff's really good. Wash and Gloss car shampoo. SiO2 rinse aids in it. It's insane. It's got ceramic in it. It's got a few other little bits and pieces. I've been washing the GTR with this, as you can see. very, very glossy. That's been my go-to shampoo for about the last 4 washes. Plush wash mitt. Check that out. These are insane. As you can see, I haven't used them, but I've checked them out already. Feather tip brushes. Brushes for your most sensitive parts. Definitely, probably one of my favourite things what they sent me in this package, but I dipped in and have been using it. Like, I've probably used it 3 times since. But this is Auto Finesse's wheel brush. Very high end for cleaning barrels, inside wheels and stuff like that. That's proper cool, can't wait to use that. They've sent me upholstery brush. Look at that. That's to get your sweet lines, get bits and pieces off, scrub into your mats, anywhere really, just anywhere that works. Brushes, probably got an official description. Tyre brush, these are sick. I don't even need to read that. Rubber scrubber, tyre scrubbing brush. This stuff's good. Mint rims. Smells like mint, as you can imagine. That's like a wheel sealant. Getting serious. What have they sent me here? Handy pluck kit. What? Look at this. Handy pluck kit. Look at that. I'm not even getting them out. So you get this as the opening wax. It's not like a wax mate, because a wax mate's like just for wax. This is like a hand applicator. And then it's Velcro for all your typical ones. So you can do your tyre shine, you can do your wax, your products. That's mad. Sick that. That's proper cool. That's maybe the coolest thing in this package. Fusion Luxury Car Wax. I think I've had one of these before. If not, still got some left. I think this is the orange one. Look at that. That is a result. Ready for application. Oh. It's got some nice raised Auto Finesse writing. What an insane package. This is like, I'll never have to buy product again probably. What? They sent me that much snow foam. What else have we got? Oh my god. Look, they've sent me a top-up bottle of Quick Detailer. If you know the main Quick Detailer, which I was on about, that shows is that. This is just a straight up top-up bottle. Do you know what I'm hyped about? That's not even a dilute version. That's like, you just top your main bottle up with that. That's insane. Good. What? They sent me ceramic foam in 5 litres. Check this out. This is all I've got left of the ceramic foam. Nothing. Probably like that much. I can't remember whether they sent me this one last time or I bought it. But basically I can just put that in this and top it up as and when I need to. Which one's this? All-purpose cleaner. This is sick. 5 litres, all-purpose Verso wheel cleaner concentrate. Check it. Imperial wheel cleaner concentrate. A mild but effective dilute to suit acid-free formula. Oh, yes. Interior total cleaner. Check it. Total interior cleaner. This stuff bangs. I've actually bought the Apple interior cleaner, which is so I actually already used this Total Apple version. Lather car shampoo. That's pretty sick. I'll show you. I'm down to about that in the bottom of this one. As you can hear, I've been saving it because I knew it was going to run out. Oh, it smells good. Lather car shampoo. Now I've got it by the bucket load, which is mad. Wonder if it's a dilute bad boy. Nah. So it's straight up. So I can top this bottle up with this, and I'm back to where I started with my lava shampoo. To the last two, we're going to look at this one first. Iron Out. Yes. Iron Out's good in a big bottle. That's savage, 5 litres of Iron Out. Citrus Power, which is a bug and grime remover, so it's basically a pre-wash. As you can hear, fully empty. And I was gutted. And now I don't need to be gutted. I just need to top it up. How sick is that? So check that out. So there's all the massive bottles that they've sent me. If you ever see me with a dirty car, you know I'm just being lazy, because look at all this product. That is so savage. Wow. And look at all of that. Just wow. Fully hooked me up. So if you've made it far enough to be here for the outro, I wanted to say thanks to Auto Finesse, thanks to everyone who supports the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button, get involved in the comments below, and get yourself into detailing. It'll change your life. Peace.